Okay, so we're finally getting to a place where we're going to finish up our basement job. This is the room where it started. That section over there is where the hole in the wall was. They've only partially painted the wall. I'm not sure why he didn't do the whole thing, but in any case, that's what he's done so far. So walking out into the main part of the family room, there's the piano in the bathroom. Nice, huh? And this is where the piano usually goes. This room over here is where our TV and family room area is set up. This area used to hold a pool table, which we sold when this all started. Family pictures. And then back here is what is left of my sewing room. Everything is still on the walls, but everything has been picked up off the floor. These are the utility closets. Doors have been removed from everything. This is a storage closet. We emptied this closet out after this all happened. We unloaded a mountain of old crap. This is, you might call this the wine cellar. It's also where my ironing board sits when I'm using this as a sewing room. There's my sewing machine and my wall of thread. So hopefully by next week or the week after, we'll have some new carpet laid down here. They've taken off all the baseboards for in preparation, and that's the state of things. Big mess. I'll be glad when it's done.